It's a chilly winter night here at the MTA studios, but we've got a hot topic to warm things up, and that is Islamophobia.
Some men just passed by and said to insult us, "Go back to your country, what are you doing here?"
And suddenly someone came from behind and kicked our ball away, and he said, "You Muslims, you're taking over our school, go back to your country."
There are a lot of misconceptions amongst the general populace in relation to Islam.
Everything, it's my choice and my choice and my choice. And then she said, "No, you are forcing her." Subhanallah, what should I do?
You are not allowed to pray here, or you're not allowed to establish mosques, or you're not allowed to express your Muslim identity. That has never happened in any Western country.
I might not agree about some of the customs, but I have a lot of respect for Muslims and Islam.
I just think that if everybody just lived by a code and not worried about religion, maybe there would be less wars.
What is morality? This should be taught.
Blasphemy? You can come talk to me.